Bonjour Katu, Bienvenue sur Master French with Vidyansshu. In today's video, you are going to learn about the exceptions to l'imperative. We have completed the topic l'imperative affirmative and l'imperative negative. This is also known as irregular imperatives. We have done the regular imperatives. So, there are 5 exceptions to l'imperative. Please remember this particular mnemonic Sav. S stands for Savoir, Avoir, Aller, Vouloir, and Être. These are the 5 exceptions that you must remember in order to memorize the exceptions. I'll give you the pronunciations first. Savoir, the tu form is sache. Nous sachons. Vous sachez. Avoir, ayez, ayons, ayez. Aller, how is aller conjugated? Tu vas, nous allons, vous allez, for the purpose of l'imperative. Here, when we make the l'imperative form, we remove s from the er ending verb. So we remove s from the er ending verb. This becomes ver. Allo or ale remain the same. Allo, ale. These remain the same. Vouloir. The pronunciation is voi. Voyons and voyez. Être. Tu form is sois, soyons, and soyez. So these are the l'imperative form of these 5 irregular imperatives. Savoir, sache, sachons, sachez, avoir, ayez, ayons, ayez, aller, va, allons, allez, vouloir, voyez, voyons, voyez, être, sois, soyons, soyez. So let us do some sentences to make you understand how these 5 verbs are going to be used for the formation of any sentence. First verb was savoir, which means to know. The tu form for savoir was sache. Que je suis là. This means know. Que means that. Pronunciation is simple. Que. Know that I am here. La means pronunciation is la. Here. This means here. Sache que je suis là. Know that I am here with exclamation. The nous form was sachons. Let's say écoutez. This means let us listen or let us know how to listen. Translation is not literal from French to English, so the sentences in English may look a bit long. Sachons écouter, let's know how to listen. The third form, vous sachez que ce Sachez que, this means know that it is important. Say means it is or this is. Important means important. The pronunciation is am pok tong. So this is for Savoir. The next verb was Avoir. The form was A. Confiance. This means have confidence. Confiance. Have confidence. Ayons was the new form. Ayons du courage. Have some courage. Courage means courage. Courage. The third form of avoir was ayez, votre, billet, prêt. This means have your ticket ready. Prêt means ready. BA means ticket. The pronunciation is BA. Votre. Have your tickets ready. Votre means your. The third verb was aller. The form was va. A l'école. This means go to the school. L'école means school. The second was new form allo. Allo, o, marché. This means let's go to the market. The third form aller for vous. Aller vite. This means go quickly. Vite. Marché means market. So these are the three forms for the verb aller. Fourth verb was vouloir. This is the fourth exception. The tu form was we, and when we have to use it, we can simply use it in the form of please or kindly. Please ferme. Ferme is the pronunciation, or facme is the pronunciation, and this means to close. Please close the door. Pokte. This means door. So please close the door. Second form voyons travailler, ensemble. Let us kindly work together. The third form was veuillez signer ici. Please sign. Signer means to sign. Pronunciation is signer. Please sign here. The fifth verb was être, which means to be. Sois prudent. This means be careful. Prudent is the pronunciation. The new form was soyons. Soyons patient. Let's be patient. And the third form was soyez alert, which means be on time. So these are the 5 verbs, and this is how we use them to form the sentences for giving orders or requesting something to be done or passing on urgent messages. So this is where we stop for today, and kindly practice these formations of the exceptions of the imperative form for these irregular verbs or irregular imperatives. Frame your own sentences, share it in the comment section. I'll check them for you, and kindly like the video if you understood the content. Please share it with your friends. Do subscribe to my channel Master French with Vidyansshu, and please press the bell icon so that you can get all the future updates on time. Atre, bientôt.